This treatment will help you greatly to get rid of those dark spots, pimples, pigmentations, and make sure your skin is always flawless all the time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Alright, so if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. If you have not subscribed, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. So this is so effective. Like, the ingredients are so important to get rid of those dark spots. You can go out without makeup and looking so flawless and natural. You want to know the ingredients, you want to know how to get rid of those pigmentations, unify your complexion, and glow your skin as well. Keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to everyone. So let's go ahead and make this wonderful remedy that will erase all those your dark spots and make sure you are looking flawless all the time. For those that need to get rid of dark spots or to prevent future dark spots, this remedy will help you greatly. This remedy is packed with important ingredients that will help to target those dark spots, fade them away, brighten, and make your skin flawless. So the first ingredient we are going to be using here is baking soda. So baking soda is so very important for the skin. It has natural bleaching properties that helps in fading away those marks, spots on your skin. It helps to exfoliate the skin to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal a spotless skin. So this is so important for you. Make sure you get baking soda and not baking powder. So you have to add half tablespoon of your baking soda into a clean bowl, just like this. And the next one to add here is rice flour. So here is a rice powder. If you do not have anyone at home, just turn your rice grain into a rice powder by using your food processor. So rice here is very exfoliating. It helps to clear your skin. It has exfoliating and lightening properties for cleaning and purifying the skin. It helps to fade away dark spots and make your skin younger. So if you have been watching my videos on how to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, I've made use of rice powder a lot because it helps in making you to look younger. So you have to add 2 tablespoons of rice powder or rice flour. So the next one you have to get is apple cider vinegar. So apple cider vinegar is another cleansing agent. Like, this will help to purify your skin, to remove dead skin cells. Contains acetic acid, which helps to lighten pigmentations. So it also helps to get rid of acne, excessive oil, unclogged pores, and make sure your skin is flawless. So this has antibacterial, very important to drive away those pimples and make sure your skin is very flawless. Okay, so this is just 1 tablespoon of undiluted apple cider vinegar, and it's going to go a long way. So you have to mix it thoroughly. So I'm going to keep it aside. So the next ingredient to add is Irish potato. So I always use Irish potato for skincare, like to fade away dark spots, to get rid of scars, to get rid of stretch marks, and it's so wonderful. Potatoes do excellent job of lightening dark spots a lot. Aside taking care of stretch marks and making you look younger, it helps to lighten those dark spots, exfoliate your skin, making sure you have no dark patches any longer. It helps to get rid of pigmentation, scars, makes your skin spotless. So this is another wonderful ingredient. If you add it into your mask, it's going to make you look younger. I also add it into my anti-aging pack. You can go ahead and blend it just to squeeze out the juice from it, and just a little will go a long way. So it's time to transfer the potato juice into the rice powder and the rest. Only small amount is all you need. Mix it thoroughly. So you can either add water or rose water. I prefer using rose water because rose water helps a lot to glow the skin, to nourish your skin further, and make this remedy to be very rich as well. So like 2 tablespoons, or depending on how you want it, because you don't want it to be so runny. Okay, just be adding it little by little until it forms a thick paste, just like this. So I'll go ahead and mix everything together so that all the ingredients will be well blended. So this is highly nourishing, very rich. Like this is something when you apply it on your skin will just look so beautiful and younger. So just use it on your skin, any part you have dark spots, and it will get rid of it. So before you apply this treatment on your skin, any part you want to apply it to get rid of dark spots, anywhere you want to apply it to look younger. So you have to make sure there are no makeups. Wash your face thoroughly to remove dirt and makeup. So either you use your hand to apply it, which is better, okay, or you make use of a brush, just like this. So apply it like this and scrub. This is another way to get rid of dead skin cells. Open your pores for those that have clogged pores. This is also a way to close large open pores thanks to the ingredients, very important and very powerful. If you want to do a spot treatment, maybe you don't want to apply it all over your face, just dip your hands into the mixture like this. As you can see, I still have some tiny dark spots, okay? It's really so small, it's not like before anymore. So just apply it, a spot treatment on only those dark spots, just like this. Okay, if you have it so many, just do it. But if you want to improve your skin as well, like to glow your skin, make your skin uniform, go ahead and apply it all over, just like this. As you apply it, scrub it like this. Remember to apply on your neck as well. I always love applying it on my nose because I have an oily skin, especially on my nose. So just go like this. With regular use, we help to make you look younger and delay signs of aging. After that, you have to allow it to stay for 20 minutes or above. This treatment is for any skin type. Because of the baking soda, most people that have sensitive skin, it may not go well, okay? So what you do is just to target only on those dark spots. If you have a sensitive skin, just to target on it, and it's going to help to fade away those dark spots. This treatment is just like 3-in-1, 4-in-1 because it's anti-aging treatment. It's also anti-spots. It's also anti-acne, okay? It helps to get rid of acne. This is also going to help to unify your complexion and make sure you are glowing all the time. Apply this treatment and leave it on for 20 minutes or above and wash it off. Everyone needs to take care of their skin, even if your skin is already even, okay? So this is also going to get rid of wrinkles. Like even if you don't have wrinkles, it will help to delay it. Like I love it a lot. Anything facial treatment, body treatment, because people tell me a lot that I look younger than my age, and I love the feel, okay? After this treatment, if you have a very dry skin, go ahead and apply a moisturizer, a light one. Like if you do not have a specific moisturizer, you just go ahead and apply sunflower oil or you apply vitamin E oil just to lock in moisture in your skin to prevent dryness. Just apply this treatment 3 times weekly, but you can do it every day, okay? So the remainder of this, you can store it in the refrigerator maximum of 5 days, and that is the highest it can stay. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.